Alright, we're going to go ahead and put these new hand grips on the CB here. I just got them off Amazon. You know, nothing spectacular. So this one will be going here, and that one will be going over there. So that way we're at least, you know, look somewhat presentable. Get rid of the electrical tape and the nasty foam. So yeah, that's where we're at. We're going to start with that. Making sure how to get this thing off. It might just be tape wrapped the whole way. How about this? There we go. Alright, so it is a rubber hand grip under there. That's what I need to know. I wasn't sure if it was just tape or what. So there is a rubber grip under there, which we're going to cut off anyway. At least get the tape cut off of it. There it went. Jeez. There we go. Somebody actually glued it on. Alrighty then. Alright, let's get the grip for that one. If you get the right grip, you shouldn't need to do anything. It should fit on there nice and snug. Just like this one is, see? Yeah, and these grips are a little shorter. See, they're a little about a half-inch shorter than the original ones I took off. So that causes a slight problem, but nothing major. You can kind of see it there. So all I'll do is just loosen this stuff up and scoot it this way some. And we'll be good. And there we have it. One down. That's good, looks good. Feels good. Alright, let's move on to the driver's side. This ought to be fun getting off too, because it's going to be the same dang thing. Probably glued on. Oh, no, this one isn't. This one's sliding right off. Look. Woo. Nothing. Garbage. Alright, now this one might be a little more tricky, because if you notice, it's long, this plastic sleeve is longer than my hand grip is. See? I think it does just fine. Yeah. Yeah, does just fine. I'm not even doing anything. That's perfect. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to cut that off. Basically what we're going to do is just mark a section of it. We don't really care. I'm not trying to be specific or exact or anything. Just close enough. So about the width of my finger. About the width of my finger. there. Uh, like that. Okay, do it. Yep, here we go. Alright, now have new hand grips on the bike. Quick and easy. Alright, we got some new mirrors. Yay! So we're going to get these put on real quick. See how well they do. Alright. Yep, 17 it is. Alright. There's one. %, chance that's a 10 millimeter. What do you think? Alright, a little more. These are lock nuts, so I want to make sure it's all the way down on it, and it is. So, there's that. There we are. Alright, well that one's going to have to go on a ride with us so we can adjust them properly. Lay it up there for now. Move on to the next one. This one isn't wanting to thread. That must be the other one. Yep. So one was right-handed threads and one was left-handed threads, and I just happened to pick the wrong one. Didn't look at them. that's what I thought. Again, this will have to be a wrench that we take with us, and it probably needed to adjust these as we are riding the bike. So, but there it is. Mirrors are now on. Making progress. Okay, folks, here is the new headlight. Looking good. The back is fully intact and not cut out like the other one was. And as you can see, that's an LED headlight, and it did come with mounting brackets, but I shouldn't need them. It should just sit right in there. Should fit perfectly, and it looks like it does. So, I don't need those. I might need this plug adapter. I don't know, I'll have to wait until I get inside of it and look. But yeah, this is a new headlight, and we're gonna go ahead and install that real quick. So, let's get to it. Yep, and there we are. Okay. So, didn't need to do much at all. And no, I don't need to use that adapter. I've got one right here. It should work fine. Oh, well, I'll tell you what, let's just plug the headlight into it and see what happens. I got nothing. Why is that not working? My Lord, doesn't want to come out of there. Oh man, are you kidding me? What in the world? Jeez. Alright, how am I going to fix this now? Dang it. It just broke completely off. Well, we ran into a little issue. This is the original headlight, and you can see it's got silicone on it, and it's, you know, old. So I thought, oh, let's just get a new, you know, LED headlight. That'll be awesome, won't it? Yeah. Except, as you saw, I broke off one of the connectors on the connector. I broke off one of the pins on the connector. So I tried to add a new one. I created, you know, I just dug it out of there and put this in, but it's still, the headlight's not working. So I don't know if it's a bad headlight, because if I can plug the original headlight in and it works. So this one doesn't work. I don't know if there's something I have to do to make it work because it's LED, but yeah, it's not working. So it wasn't working before this anyway, so just ignore that. That's not the cause of the not working. But it's not working, and I'm not quite sure what to do with it because now I've already screwed it up and I can't return it. So there goes what, 80 bucks down the drain. But yeah, so note to self, test things first and don't be so rough on things. But yeah, so that's where we are. But now I'm beginning to wonder why it's not working, because now, sorry, I'm at my lift. When I try to start the bike, I got nothing. It's on, it's in neutral, it's in run, and I got nothing. So maybe I blew a fuse, and maybe that's what's wrong. I'll go ahead and give that a look, but that'll be for another video. I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Thank you all for watching, and like, share, and subscribe. You can subscribe by hitting that little button right down there, or, you know, the other one. Alright, have fun, take it easy, y'all. I'll catch you on the next one.